Hello everyone, welcome to TryRights. Myself Sujit. So today in this session we are going to cover all the remaining collection data type. The remaining collection data types are tuple, set and dictionary. First we are going to cover what is tuple. So tuple is nothing but tuple. So to declare, so tuple is also a collection data type. To declare a tuple we need round bracket. Okay, so round bracket. Okay, to declare. But if you want to declare a single element, okay, I want a single element only, then your comma will be mandatory. We are going to see while we are doing the practical example. Okay, but now for your theory purpose we just mention that to declare a single element in tuple, comma is mandatory. Then tuple is the order data type. Okay, order data types. Order data types means while we are creating a tuple in same manner, it going to store in your memory location. That's why we can say that tuple is the order data type. So it is the order data type. That's why it support both positive and negative indexing. Okay, indexing. Yeah. Then the next point is says that TFL is a heterogeneous data type. Okay, heterogeneous data type. In the sense of heterogeneous means different type of data type it will support. Means we can add single value data type or iterable or collection. Iterable and collection are both are same. The collection data types. Okay. Then table support duplicate value. Okay, it support duplicates. Okay, means we can add duplicate value. Okay, at last tuple is the immutable data type. Immutable data type means after while we are creating a tuple we cannot add any extra data on that. Okay, that's why we can say that tuple is immutable. But if you are creating your tuple but inside a list will be there, we can change that list, but you cannot change the immutable data types. Okay, now I just want to create a one. Okay, if you are thinking that I'll be using a square bracket. Okay, but if you print this one, this is not a tuple data type. By the help of your type also you can check that particular things. Okay, if you so also it is the integer data types. Okay, but if you are giving one comma it will converting into a tuple. Okay, they will be asking in your interview also. Then I just start different type of data types. Okay, so floating value, then boolean value, then collection data types, then one string also I will be adding. Okay, now I just want that uh, people supporting our indexing. So now I need to check that particular things. Okay, so I'll take one. Okay, the positive indexing, it give me one, means it's supporting both positive and your negative indexing, if you see also. Okay, then sometimes they might be confused you, like that they'll giving you two, means two will be here and two another, sorry, 2.3 means 2.3 will be there, means the duplicate value. If I am printing that particular thing it will give me the output, means people also allow your duplicate. Okay, for one interview they might be ask you like that, I just create this way. Okay, and I'll give you string. Now they want to know from me what is the collection, means the type of the data, means I'll create only one variable but I will assigning different type of value. Then I want to know the data types. So if I am trying to print or somebody missing the collection data type, it directly converted into a table. If you see, it gives you table. So these are some points are available while we are doing your what, the table. Okay, Then we are going to cover your set. So set is also a iterable or collection data types. So set. Okay. So to declare a set, curly bracket is mandatory. Okay. So curly bracket is mandatory. Then to create an empty set, we use set method. Okay. Then the second point as set is a unordered data type means we cannot guess the which order it takes. It does not support order. Okay, that because we cannot predict that in which way it will be stored in your memory. Okay, that's why it does not support your positive and negative indexing. Okay, then the next point we can say that set does not support your duplicate value means we cannot add duplicate value to a set. Then set is a heterogeneous data type. Okay, set is a heterogeneous means different type of data we can add, but set only accept the mute immutable data means immutable in the sense of the single value data type list, sorry, string, integer, then float, complex and boolean. Okay, but set is a mutable. Okay, set is a mutable. You need to understand set is a mutable data type, but it's only support your immutable data types. Okay, clear? Then we are going to cover by a examples only. Okay, so I just want to create an empty list. How I can create an empty list? Okay, so yes, by the help of your set name. Okay, then but we are dealing with your set by your curly braces only, but I need to create a empty list, sorry, empty set. That's why I'm taking this set method. Okay, now I just want to add some value here. Okay, so 1 2, again 2, then 2.3, then I just want to add a string. Okay, it is possible or not, we are going to see. Okay, guys, it is not possible, it gives you error. Why? Because no, gives you the correct answer. If you see also it will be printing because string is immutable means we cannot create. But if you see that the 1 2 will be not showing. Why? Because set is there not supporting your duplicate value. If somebody asks in your interview, they'll give you a collection data type means they will give you a list. Okay, means I will tell you that how you can do. So they will give you 1 2 3 4, then 1 2, sorry, 1 2. Now they want to remove the duplicate value, so you just print. Okay, you just print. It's give you, see, it's only give you the remaining means the duplicates value are removed. This way we can tell that. So the interview they might be asked, we need to keep it in mind. Okay. Now we know that it will be not telling that in which order it will sell. If I am trying to checking that -1, then it will be give me the error because it is a subscriptable means it will be not supporting in your set. If you say that it is a subscriptable, okay, so means it will be not supporting your indexing. So this is how we can say that set will work in your Python. Okay. Now we are going to cover your dictionary. Okay. So while you are dealing with your dictionary, every time you need to understand that dictionary will be taking in your key value pair. Means if you are thinking like that in the set, you will be giving each one element, but in your dictionary, it will be using by the help of your curly braces only, but it will be the combination of your key value pair. Okay, elements are in the form of key value pair. Okay, then to create a empty dictionary we'll using only the curly brackets. Okay, means the curly bracket. Now then the key value pair are separated by using the column. Okay, key and value. Okay, key and value means key and value are separated by the column. Okay, and key value pair are separated by the comma. Okay, then dictionary is a order data type. Okay, it is a order data types in the sense of we can predict in which way it will be stored, but it will not supporting your positive and negative indexing. Okay, positive and negative indexing, but we can get the value from a key by the help of your key. Okay, we can get the value of a key by the help of the key. Okay, then dictionary is a mutable in the sense of while we are creating the dictionary we can add or manually we can delete something. Okay, but while we are creating key and value there are some rules will be there, means we cannot say that if you are taking a key we can take any types of data, but key must be a immutable data type. Means immutable means the single value, integer, floating value, complex, and true value. Okay, it's unstring and tuple. Okay, key must be a immutable data type. Okay, then key does not support your duplicate. Okay, if you give the duplicate, then the old key value will be replaced by the new value. Okay, understand? So these are the property of the key, but in the value, okay, we can give any types of data. Okay, means collection data or we can single value data we can give, and it also accept the duplicate values. Okay, so these are some points regarding your dictionary. Now we are going to see by through a example only. Okay, now first I'll create a empty dictionary. I need to check that. Okay, now I just print type of the D. Okay, if you see it's showing me dictionary. Okay, I'll give some value as okay here a and 200, sorry, b, b will be 400. Okay, we know that we cannot give a a immutable data type, means the mutable data type in the list in the key value. Okay, I'll just give the 23. Okay, and I'll give as 300. Okay, now I need to close. If you see, it will give me an error because key will be not supporting your mutables. If you see also unhashable type list means list we can, but here if you converting into tuple, okay, 12 it possible. Okay, this how we can achieve. Now I want to find the order. Okay, means we know this is a order data type, but we know that it is not supporting your indexing and slicing, but I want to try. It's give me error, guys. Okay, it is a order, but we cannot do the positive and negative indexing, but By the help of the key, we can get the each value. Okay. If you see here, I just change the particular a means same duplicate key. Okay. Just a second. I need to print a. If you see your previous value will be erased means 200 will not show. So these are some values are available while we are dealing with your dictionary. Make sure you are remembering all the point regarding your dictionary. Okay. Now we are going to build a small coding program. Okay. By the help of your dictionary, some operation. Okay. First, I need to create a hotel. So our hotel name is Paradise 5 star. Okay, so I have some menu are there. So I'll have menu like rice is uh, 25 rupees. Then there is tea 10 rupees. Then coffee 50 rupees. Then egg 100 and paneer 200. Okay. Now I want to know the all the menu. So I just print menu. Then if somebody go to Rights hotel, you just want to menu. So I just print that these are my menu. So somebody wants to know that what is the price of that particular rice. So we can know that by the help of your key. But I want to use a method. So that get method. Okay. So I'll pass as rice. If you see, it give me 25 rupees. Okay, so I mistakenly write rice. Yes. Okay, I'll pass as a 30 as my. Okay. Okay, if I am printing, it will not give me error, but it will be take the default value. Okay, guys. Okay, then somebody asks me that I want to add a new item, means somebody wants to customize. Okay, so in the dictionary, if you want to add an item, there will be a method called update. But update method only accept only your iterable, means your collection data type. Means if you are giving your single value data types, it will be give you an error. Okay, I'll give you 12. If you see, int is not a iterable. But if you are giving a string, okay, I'll give you a string. If you see, I'll give only one. But if you see, it will be converting into two. If you see, the length must be 2, but it is the length will be 1, means string will be 1, means if you are giving one more string, then only it's working. Okay, so mind it. So this is how, if you, okay, so now I am, if I am doing like that. Okay, so this is one string, then inside the tuple I just add a set. Okay, see, unexpected means we cannot give that particular two times, means either you can give a string or you can give a tuple or you can give a list. But if you see here, I'll give a string, then only I'll give you a list, but it is not possible. But if you are giving like that, it's only not possible because it is a one line, means we need a key and value. So to overcome with that, if I am giving like that menu, it's not possible, guys. Okay, so I need a that set only. Okay, if I am giving like that menu file, it's not possible, guys. Cannot convert dictionary of that one sequence. So it's, I think, okay, we need to give that column. See, it will be adding in your menu. Okay, so 12 is something like that on random number. Okay, so then somebody asks me that I need to delete that particular thing. So by the help of your pop, means I will be give that pop and I will be pass the t. Okay, if I am printing that t, the t will be gone. If you see, there is no t, and it's now time to end the hotel. Means for this session we need to close the hotel. Means tomorrow. So tomorrow we need to restart our hotel. So by the help of your clear method, means if you do that by the help of a pop, means you need to pass each and every key. But if I'm using clear method, it will be entire will be deleting. Okay, if you see also. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. So thanks for watching. Try rights.